Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the Hair Tutorial channel, and on this week's video I'm going to be talking about the next big trend. So for everything hair education, from cutting to colouring to hair up, why not like, subscribe and hit the notification button for weekly videos. So I think the biggest trend we can definitely say for the past couple of years has been balayage, and I don't really see this going anywhere. However, if you start looking around Facebook and Instagram, you're going to see a new street trend emerging. It's a nice simple trend and it complements a lot of styles and cuts. And this is paneling. So just large chunks of panels put into the hair. However, it primarily seems to be through the fringe and through the front of the hair. Obviously these panels are complementary to the colour that the person has. So if you have like a chocolate, something like a copper or a blonde through the front. But it particularly seems to be amongst the trendsetters that we're really seeing this. So how long will it be before it filters down into the mainstream? Now in a lot of instances it can simply be just half of the fringe that has been coloured. In other instances it's half the fringe, one side and a panel through here. So on the head block today we'll see a transformation. Okay, so as you can see this is very quick, very simple, so I'm not going to do it too long. I've sectioned up my head block. She has a fringe, so I've gone halfway down the centre of the head and I've sectioned off this whole panel from just in front of the ear and half the fringe. So I'm going to be colouring this a nice copper, and then the rest of it I'm going to do a nice rich chocolate, and then I'll show you the result and I'll show you the finished look. So our colours are on and now obviously it's just time to let them process, and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, so we're all done, and as you can see we have half the fringe and a panel down this side that has been dyed copper. The rest of it is a nice milk chocolate, and I think you can see these are all sort of complementing colours. So again, it's sort of up to you and your client as to where you want to place the panel. You might want to put another streak down this side, or maybe a streak coming through the back if the hair is long enough to do so. So why not comment below if you think this trend is going to catch on and you're going to be doing it. Thanks for watching, and why not check out some of the other great videos that are coming up, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button.